Got a LIZ file from a geospatial data provider or government mapping agency? This is a highly compressed aerial or satellite image format. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to view and convert these LizardTech MrSID image files. A quick note, our segment will highlight the immense value of having one comprehensive file inspector that can instantly handle stubborn errors across many different file extensions. LIZ files are LizardTech MrSID-related image files used for storing large format, compressed raster imagery, including aerial photography, satellite imagery, and scanned maps. MrSID technology provides multi-resolution, seamless image compression, enabling fast viewing of massive geospatial images at any zoom level without decompressing the entire file. LIZ files use LizardTech's MrSID wavelet-based compression format, achieving high compression ratios while maintaining visual quality at multiple resolution levels. The format supports georeferencing metadata, embedded coordinate systems, and selective decompression, enabling efficient streaming and display of multi-gigabyte raster image datasets. Official support for LIZ is primarily provided through GeoViewer from Extensys, formerly LizardTech. Dedicated software is required to correctly unpack and rebuild the file structure. Windows can preview many raster formats, but detailed editing requires image software. Your first step towards full access. Right-click the LIZ file and select Open With. If GeoViewer is on your system, try that first. If not, try another option immediately. If your LIZ file is not opening yet, that is normal. Don't let the LIZ file frustrate you. Its specialty simply means we need to confirm a few specific criteria. Time for our checklist. First, viewing in GeoExpress. Download the free LizardTech GeoViewer from lizardtech.com to open and view LIZ and MrSID files. GeoViewer renders the image at any zoom level using the multi-resolution format for smooth navigation. Pan and zoom through large aerial imagery datasets and inspect georeferencing metadata and coordinate system information. Next, opening in GIS software. Load the LIZ file as a raster layer in QGIS using layer, then add, layer, then add, raster layer. QGIS reads MrSID format files with the GDAL library and displays the georeferenced imagery on the map canvas. ArcGIS Pro also natively supports MrSID raster layers for integration with other GIS data. Finally, converting to standard formats. Use LizardTech GeoExpress or GDAL command line tools to convert LIZ files to GeoTIFF or JPEG 2000 format. With GDAL run, GeoDAL translate input, LIZ output, .tiff to create a standard GeoTIFF. Note that converted files will be significantly larger than the MrSID original due to the exceptional compression ratios of the source format. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.